Hello everyone, this is Kitika, host of this channel Hastrekha Palm Reading. Today in this video, I will be explaining the signs of alcohol addiction in palm. So let's get started. Now there are several reasons that a person gets into alcoholism or in the external stimulants. So now we are going to discuss those reasons one by one with their signs in the palm. Alright? So, the first thing that I want to discuss is when a person is emotionally unstable, aggressive, impulsive, or short tempered, the person may fall into alcoholism. Okay, so now let us discuss its signs. Now, when the color of the palm is reddish, you can see the color of the whole palm is reddish. We cannot say reddish, but the dark pinkish. All right. Along with it, it should be thick with a prominent mount of Mars. You can see this is the area of inner Mars, and this is the area of outer Mars. So when we compare these two, this mount should be more bulging out in comparison to this, as we are discussing the signs of aggression here. All right. So what I'm going to repeat: a reddish palm, along with a thick palm and a prominent mount of inner Mars, along with a clubbed thumb. Now I'm going to show you what is a clubbed thumb. You can see this is the thumb here. We have two phalanges in it, the first phalange and the second phalange. Now whenever we say a thumb is clubbed, it means that the first phalange is taking a large area and it is quite thick, very thick. Okay, that is a clubbed thumb. So these are the indications of the aggression, impulsiveness, and the person who's emotionally unstable. Yeah. So now move to the second thing that I wanted to discuss is when a person lacks willpower and determination can also fall into alcoholism. All right. Now let us discuss the signs of it. Now see, when the thumb is weak, weak means either uh, it is short. When the thumb is short and thin, okay, in this palm you can see the thumb is long and strong, it is thick, it is quite good. But if the thumb gets thinner and the shorter, it means that the person lacks willpower and positivity, and also they can be easily influenced by others. So this is one thing. Now along with this, if the inner Mars is more prominent that I have discussed earlier, if this mount is more prominent in comparison to this mount, this is outer Mars, it shows that the person has very low resistance power, okay, and which can lead him to take refuge in the alcoholism. Now the Now, when a person lacks power of self expression and confidence, that can also lead to person seeking refuge in alcohol. Now, let us discuss which finger shows this. So, first of all, we'll see the little finger. You can see that in this palm, the little finger is quite long, and it is reaching till the first knot of this Apollo finger. Okay, but when it reaches below the first knot of the Apollo finger, we can say that the little finger is short, and the short little finger makes a person underconfident and introvert. The person is unable to express his emotions. All right. And along with this, if we see the Jupiter finger, you can see this is the Jupiter finger. When it reaches till the mid of this finger, Saturn finger, we can say it is long. But when it reaches below this line that I have made here, we can say that the finger is short. So when the Jupiter finger is thin in comparison to the other fingers and it is short, it also makes the person underconfident, insecure, and make him feel inferior. All right, this can be one indication. And the other is the line of addiction, that is via lasciva. There are two formations of via lasciva in the palm. This is the mount of Venus and this is the mount of Luna or moon, we can say. So there is a line like this in a arc way. Okay, this is the one formation, and the another formation is, you can see that here we have the mount of moon, a line from here to here. Okay, the mount of the loon, we can divide it into three parts. This is the first, second, and third. Okay, so you can see a line going from bottom part to the upper part is also a formation of via lasciva. When this line is present along with the reddishness of the palm and a prominent amount of inner marks that we have discussed, and a rough textured skin, means the texture of the palm is rough. It shows that the person is an alcohol addict. And along with that, if a person has broken girdle of Venus, you can see it starts from here and goes till here. Okay, starts from the mid of these two finger, the Jupiter and the Saturn, and ends between these two finger, Mercury and Apollo. All right, but when it is broken like this, when the formation is broken along with all these indication, it aggravates the situation. All right, making the person highly alcohol addict. So this was the end of the video. If you have any queries, you can reach me up on my Facebook page. Link is given below in the description, or you can mail me on hastrekhapalmist@gmail.com. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye.